So my vision before I started, I did not have a very good depth perception. In fact, I found out whenever I came in, I had no depth perception. So I would run into things a lot and I couldn't really perceive how far things were away from me. So I was very clumsy. So whenever I came in and I started working, things were hard at first, but they got easier and easier as I went along. And the people at Vision Therapy are amazing. Dr. Sullivan is my person, and he's a very good doctor. He's very good at making personal bonds as well as making sure you make progress, which was amazing. And now my vision, I've noticed so many changes. I don't run into things anymore. I can see how far things away are from me. And whenever I started, I was very close to driving, and now I am driving. So it's a lot easier for me to know how far away the stop sign is, where I need to start applying my brake, and things are just so much smoother since I finished because I have a depth perception now. I went from 0 out of 10 to 10 out of 10 because I went through this program and it was awesome.
Oh, wonderful. And I mean, I guess, what would you want to say to anyone who is thinking about doing vision therapy?
Do it. I'm not even kidding. It's a tough experience. Sometimes it's tiring, but it's so worth it. As a person who is very high achieving, I like to achieve at things. This did give me something to challenge myself with, but it's so worth it. I get to be able to say that I have a good depth perception now, and I have a better memory.